Once upon a time, in a serene monastery nestled deep within the misty mountains, a gathering of young monks eagerly awaited the wisdom of their revered elder, the wise old monk. The young monks were known for their vibrant spirits and insatiable thirst for knowledge, but they often struggled with earning the respect they craved from others. As the old monk slowly entered the hall, his presence commanded immediate reverence. The room fell silent, and all eyes were fixed upon him, awaiting his teachings. With a serene smile, he began his lecture, captivating the young monks with his words and stories. He spoke of a young monk named Kashi, who had embarked on a quest to seek enlightenment. Kashi was brimming with knowledge and eager to share it, but he often faced ridicule and disrespect from those around him. Determined to find a solution, he sought the guidance of the wise old monk. The old monk understood Kashi's predicament and shared a tale of his own youth. He recounted the time when he too yearned for respect but had to learn the invaluable lesson of patience. He urged the young monks to recognize that respect cannot be demanded. It must be earned through humility, compassion, and continuous self-improvement. Inspired by the wise old monk's story, the young monks were eager to put his teachings into practice. They devoted themselves to rigorous meditation, deepening their understanding of the virtues of patience and respect. Through their dedicated efforts, they began to radiate an aura of wisdom and tranquility. Word of the transformation spread like wildfire, drawing the attention of countless seekers on the path to enlightenment. People from far and wide flocked to the monastery, hoping to gain insights from these transformed young monks. As time passed, the young monks realized that true respect comes not from being revered by others, but from living a life of purpose, integrity, and service. They understood that the journey towards earning respect is an ongoing one, requiring constant self-reflection and growth. In the end, the wise old monk's lecture had not only transformed the lives of the young monks but had also touched the hearts of millions. They learned that by embodying the virtues of patience, humility, and respect, they could not only earn the respect they sought but also inspire others to do the same. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.